So I'm now taking a video of my Roomba. There's Jasper. And there's Allie. And there's my Roomba. Roomba does carpet. Roomba goes under the stairs. Oh, there it is. Roomba bounces off my pile of dirty clothes on the floor because I'm lazy. Jasper says, "What the hell?" Allie, little girl, say hello. Say hello, little face. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Maybe one day I'll get one of my cats to ride it, and I can make them a YouTube sensation. But until then, I'll just watch my Roomba go, and watch my cats be scared.